Hi friends, we are back with the next vlog. The Indroda Nature Park is one of the fascinating places to visit when you are at Gandhinagar in Gujarat. Often known as the Jurassic Park of India, this place is a favorite destination among tourists, especially children. The Indroda Park is known to be the only park in India which houses fossils of dinosaurs along with a dinosaur museum. This man-made fossil park was set up by the Geological Survey of India and is considered to be the second largest hatchery of dinosaur eggs in the world. The park is spread over an area of about 400 hectares on the banks of river Sabarmati in Gandhinagar. The park is open on all days except Mondays from 8 am to 6 pm. This well-maintained park has some beautiful huge sculptures of different species of dinosaurs along with their details. The entry fee is very reasonable along with free parking facility. They charge just rupees 30 for adults and rupees 15 for children. The park also provides subsidized tickets at rupees 8 for students. Since there are no eating joints in the park, don't forget to carry some snacks with you as the park is quite big and you have to walk a lot. The park also has a zoo with well-made enclosures. My children were very much fascinated to see the tiger, lion, lioness and leopard so close. The park also comprises an amphitheater as well as event centers for conducting academic research. If you are a nature lover, the variety of animals and the botanical garden located within the park will definitely attract you. However, the Dinosaur Museum is the most popular spot in the park. Overall, this is a perfect place to visit with your family, and school going children will have hands on experience of various animals in general and dinosaurs in particular. I hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and comment. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, bye.